All right, we are in the Group C of 2075 109 EP Compulsory Mathematics, question number 13. We have given a solid figure which is made of one cylinder and a cone. They combine and made a solid having the base of radius 7 centimeter, and the length of whole solid is 59 centimeter, and the cylindrical part, the length of the cylindrical part is 35 centimeter. Then find the total surface area. The question says if the whole length this is given 59, this height is given 35, and radius is given 7 centimeter, find the total surface area. Here you have to understand few things. We have how many faces we have. Total surface area means in a surface we have one part, right? That's a circle, which is pi r square. And we have another is a cylinder, whose surface area is 2 pi r h. And we have a cone. We have a cone which is pi r l. L is a slant height, or pi r s. S is a slant height, whatever you like to take. Alright, so let me compute this, not to directly put it there. So alright, let's start whatever we have given. The radius equals to 7 centimeter, right? Total length, let me say this is capital H, okay? The whole height is 59 centimeter. 59 centimeter. Length of the cylinder, height of the cylinder, length of cylinder, small h1 is given, right? So let me say, because the height 1 and height 2, what is this? You can say h, don't matter, because we say that other one. Capital H, or say, let's say capital H1 is fine, because we have two heights. That's how I'm going to use H1 and H2 to be clear. So H1 is 35 centimeter given, right? These are the given thing. Look at here. Radius is given, whole height is given 59, and the cylindrical part length is 35 centimeter given. Now, compute the height of cone. How do you compute that? How do you compute the height of the cone? Whole thing minus small, right? So capital H minus little h1, which is equals to 59 centimeter minus 35 centimeter, which is equals to 24 centimeter, right? Now this is 24 centimeter. As you know, since this radius is 7 centimeter, this is also 7, right? Because both of them are the radius of a cylinder, as well as the radius of the cone. Now, by using the Pythagorean, you can find out, let's say this is L, right? Slant height L. Then by Pythagorean formula, right? What we can compute? L equals to square root of H is equals to something like this, right? H is equals to P square plus H square equals to P square plus B square. Same formula. L square equals to P square plus B square. So what I'm gonna do, 24 square plus 7 square, which is equals to 576 plus 49, which is nothing more than 625, right? And then equals to 25 centimeter. Oh, now this is 25. Got you, right? This one is 25. Once you have L, you can compute the area of this. Since we have a radius, we can compute the area of cylinder. we have a radius, we can compute the area of a circle. So you get to go. That means total surface area is nothing more the area of the circle, which is pi r square, plus area of the cylinder, 2 pi r. H means we have a h1, right? So I'm just considering h1 because we have two heights, plus pi r l. We don't need h, right? We have a pi r l. Now substitute the value of everything. Pi is 22 over 7 times r squared is what? 7 square. 7 square plus 2 times 22 by 7 times r is 7 times h1 is nothing more than 35 plus pi means 22 by 7 times r is 7 times l is 25. Now let me cross out. 7 and 7 cancel out, right? 7 and 7 cancel out. 7 and 7 cancel out. So the leftover, if you multiply and add them up, you should get 2241.96, I guess. Yeah. And your unit is, everything is a centimeter square, right? Because there is centimeter square. So this is centimeter times centimeter square. Centimeter times centimeter, which is centimeter square, so everything is centimeter square. Okay, so you have to write down centimeter square here. Therefore, TSA equals to 2241.96 centimeter square is your answer. Let me explain you. Here you have to only calculate this L. Everything else is given. For this, how do you compute it? We have a given whole height is 59, this height is 35, that is given, and radius is given 7. Now to compute this height, I subtracted from whole thing minus this is that. So that's what I say here. Now once you know this is 7, so this is also 7 because it's a radius. This is 24 that we computed down here. Once you know this and that, you can compute this by using the Pythagoras formula. H squared equals to p squared plus b squared, and h means square root of p squared plus b squared. Since length is not a non-negative, so I take only positive part. Then once I compute the L, which is 25 centimeter, you get to go. Where? Because you can compute this. We have a radius, so pi r is squared. So I have a radius, I can compute the formula. Pi r is squared for the circle. For this cylindrical part, the surface area of the cylinder, which is 2 pi r h. So we have a 2 pi r, we have a pi value, r value, and x1 base 35. And we have a cone which is pi r l. If I substitute the value of r and l bound here, I got this. So this is, when I do the calculation, I got 2241.96 centimeters square is my answer for the total surface area. That's all. Thank you.